Self-grip rollers. Creat lift volume with this set of 31 self-grip rollers. They smooth the hair, leave no indentation marks. Use on wet or dry hair, with or without styling lotion or gel. Do-it-yourself curls, waves, UPDOS MORE. From hot rollers, straighteners, bun forms, styling kits, Conair has everything you need to give yourself a salon-worthy hairstyle at home. High-quality hair accessories. From classic scrunchies, no-damage hair elastics to glam bobby pins, curlers, rollers, hair wraps, clips, brushes, Conair has the accessories styling tools you need. Innovative hair care tools. From blow dryers to auto curlers, combo stylers, specialty hair brushes, whatever your hair type or length, Conair has a styler that will let you create any look you feel like wearing. Conair Hair Care. Since 1959, we have made innovative small appliances, hair styling tools, more. Our hair care line includes high-quality hair dryers, brushes, styling tools, hair accessories. Top reviews from the United States. So easy to use. Because they self-stick, they are the easiest tool to use. You can use them to put just a bend, or for a curly look. It just depends on the size and time you leave them in. They are my favorite hair tool I have.